How to add another Facebook account on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to add another Facebook account on an iPhone, firstly, what you have to do is open your Facebook application on your device. Go to the menu option and scroll down to the bottom. You will see the logout button. Tap on that and log yourselves out. Now you will see the option for login to another account. Tap on that and go ahead and enter your login credentials, that is your mobile number or email address and your password. Once entered, tap on the login button and with this, your other account will be logged in. Now, if you log out, you can see we have successfully added another account on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.